Welcome to Reviewsinside TV. Today we're taking a look at the Shark POWERDETECT Upright Vacuum Cleaner, model AZ4002. It promises to deliver powerful suction and tackle pet hair with ease, all while adapting to different surfaces and optimizing performance automatically. We've seen Shark deliver some solid vacuums over the years, but can this one live up to the hype? Let's find out together. The Shark POWERDETECT comes loaded with features designed to elevate your cleaning routine. With its DuoClean technology, this vacuum boasts 2 brush rolls that work together to grab dirt and debris from both carpets and hard floors. But that's not all. It's equipped with IntelliSense sensors that automatically detect hidden dirt, pet hair, and debris, adjusting the suction power and brush roll speed for optimal performance. Whether you're tackling your living room rug or hard floors, it aims to make sure you don't miss a spot. This vacuum also comes with a HEPA filter that works in tandem with Shark's anti-allergen complete seal technology, trapping 99.99% of dust and allergens to ensure the air in your home stays fresh and clean. So, if you're an allergy sufferer or a pet owner, this could be a big selling point. In terms of usability, the Shark POWERDETECT features a powered lift-away function, which allows you to detach the canister from the base, turning it into a lightweight and portable vacuum. This is perfect for stairs, upholstery, or even cleaning your car interior. Its self-cleaning brush roll means that pet hair won't wrap around the bristles, a major issue for pet owners. Plus, the edge detect function increases suction power near walls and edges, eliminating the need for extra attachments or a broom. Talk about convenience. Now let's talk about real-world performance. In my tests, the Shark POWERDETECT showed impressive suction on a variety of surfaces. On carpets, the DuoClean technology did wonders. It pulled embedded pet hair from deep within the fibers without any noticeable loss in suction. On hard floors, it picked up dust and debris in a single pass, and the edge detect feature really helped clean those tricky edges near baseboards. Moving around the house was easy, as the vacuum is relatively lightweight and the powered lift-away mode adds even more flexibility. Whether cleaning the living room rug or lifting the vacuum up to clean above-floor surfaces, the weight distribution felt comfortable. One thing I noticed while using this vacuum is how quiet it is compared to other models I've tested. It's not silent, but it's far from the loud, ear-piercing whine that some vacuums emit. Even at full suction, it remains manageable in terms of noise, which is a nice bonus. When it comes to pet hair, the Shark POWERDETECT performs admirably. The self-cleaning brush roll eliminates any worries about hair wrap, and the suction power is consistently strong. However, it does need to be emptied regularly, especially if you have pets. The dust canister isn't huge, so if you have a lot of floor space to clean, you might find yourself stopping to empty it more often than you'd like. Moving on to the battery life, the Shark POWERDETECT is corded, so there's no need to worry about running out of power halfway through a cleaning session. However, the cord length is something to consider, especially if you have a larger home. You might need to plug and unplug as you move from room to room, though the extra long cord does help reduce this inconvenience. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this vacuum. One of the biggest strengths of the Shark POWERDETECT is its versatility. The DuoClean technology and IntelliSense sensors work seamlessly to adjust cleaning modes based on the surface you're working on. The lift-away feature is also a big plus, making this vacuum feel much more flexible than many upright models. It also has excellent suction power, especially for picking up pet hair. The self-cleaning brush roll is a game changer for pet owners, and the HEPA filter ensures that the vacuum is allergy-friendly. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The dust canister isn't massive, so larger cleaning jobs may require more frequent emptying. The vacuum is also a little on the bulky side when fully assembled, which could make it more challenging to maneuver in tight spaces. Additionally, while the cord is long, it might still be a bit limiting in larger homes where multiple outlets are spread across different rooms. In terms of value, the Shark POWERDETECT offers a lot of features for the price. When compared to other upright vacuums in its price range, the performance is strong. It performs well on both carpets and hard floors, and it really shines when it comes to pet hair pickup, thanks to the self-cleaning brush roll. The HEPA filter and anti-allergen features make it a solid choice for anyone with allergies. If you're looking for a vacuum that can handle a variety of surfaces and is capable of picking up pet hair without much hassle, the Shark POWERDETECT is a good investment. For those considering alternatives, the Dyson Ball Animal 2 and the Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind are worth a look. Both offer strong suction power and are known for their pet hair cleaning capabilities. However, the Shark POWERDETECT stands out with its IntelliSense sensors and lift-away feature, which make it incredibly versatile, especially for multi-surface cleaning and above-floor tasks. In terms of build quality, the Shark POWERDETECT feels solid. The plastic doesn't feel cheap, and the construction is sturdy, which is important for durability. The attachments are easy to switch out, and the lift-away canister detaches without much effort. It's clear that Shark has put thought into making this vacuum user-friendly and durable. Maintenance is straightforward as well. The brush roll is self-cleaning, which cuts down on the maintenance time needed, and the filter is easy to clean or replace when necessary. The canister empties quickly, but if you're cleaning pet hair regularly, you may need to empty it more frequently to keep up with the buildup. Overall, the Shark POWERDETECT Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, versatile machine with a strong focus on pet hair pickup and allergen filtration. It's perfect for homes with a mix of carpets and hard floors, especially if you're dealing with pets or allergies. It has some minor drawbacks, like a small dust canister and its bulky design, but for the most part, it's a solid all-around vacuum that excels at cleaning performance. Thank you for watching! If you're interested in getting the Shark POWERDETECT, you can find the link in the comments box below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your own experiences with this vacuum if you've already tried it. Goodbye until next time, and remember, there's always a cleaner way with Reviews Inside TV.